Hello, welcome to American Baker in Germany, where the ingredients are German and the baker is American. I'm Michelle, and today we are making a stained glass themed cake. So let's get started.
I start out by frosting a sheet cake dummy with vegan American buttercream. I had printed out an inspiration photo of a stained glass rose. I won't be copying this photo exactly, but I did use it as inspiration. Then I used a palette knife and a pointed sculpting tool to sketch out the design on the cake. I had also colored buttercream a reddish pink, green, and black, and placed them in piping bags. The only one with a piping tip was the black with the round tip. Once I was happy with the design, I started piping the buttercream on. I piped the red on the rose and smoothed it on. Then I piped the rose stem and leaves and smoothed them with the palette knife. I piped a red border and smoothed it on. Then I piped black buttercream on the border and outlined all the design, putting a lot of detail into the rose. Then I piped the sides. It's a bit difficult to see what I'm doing, so I'll describe the sides. I continued the border along the sides, and the white portion has a vine with leaves. I started out with the border and smoothed it on. Then I piped on the vine and leaves and smoothed it on, and piped the outline with black. Finally, I tapped the tips that stuck up down to give the cake a more smooth look. Okay, I am officially in love. I think this cake turned out gorgeous. It reminds me vaguely of the stained glass in Beauty and the Beast. For more cakes and tutorials, visit our website at americanbakeringermany.com. We're also on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Subscribe for a new cake every week. Hit the notification bell to be the first to know when we upload a new video.